Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable dark mode on Android. If you want to enable dark mode on your Android phone, so you just need to follow these steps. First, first step is that you just have to scroll down the status bar of your phone, and here you will get the option of dark theme. Just tap on it, and then it will be enabled. And if you want to get it here, so you just need to open your mobile settings, and in mobile settings you just have to tap on search bar, and after that here just search for dark. Just search for it, and here you'll get the option of dark mode theme. Just tap on it, and here you can see the dark theme has been appeared. Just enable it, and then you have successfully enabled dark mode on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.